Back at you again with another video. This one we're not showing my face, but this one is gonna be really dope. I got myself some rear chain adjusters from my Ninja ZX6R 2020, and they fit this 2022. Amazing, really crazy. But I'm gonna get some chain adjusters installed so I don't have to use this for all this janky stuff that's in here. So let's get this wheel off, slide in our new chain adjusters, put on our axles, and go from there. Stay tuned. So these are the ZX6R chain adjusters. They're Logitech. Bam, right there. If it focuses, right there. And I'm gonna install these guys. They're brand spanking new. I had them on the ZX6R for a very short time, and then I traded that bike in. But I got all the hardware for it, so why not use it? You know what I mean? So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna install these guys on the ZX10R. To get those rear sets installed, obviously you got to take off the rear axle nut, and you got to take this guy out. To take this off, you have to push the axle through to the other side, and you got to take this all the way out. So I'm going to take this off completely, and the hardware that comes with this kit, those bolts go inside of here to hold it from spinning out. So let me first take this off first, and I'll show you guys what I mean. This bolt is long. Jeez. Yeah, so take this off. You will no longer need this. You're not gonna put it on the bike back again. So you can, this bolt goes inside of there. So what I do is I like to put this in place. This bolt is too short. It doesn't quite reach. Oh, it just snagged. Holy, it does reach. Okay, I think I need to loosen this a little bit more. Yeah, it does reach. Okay, so let me finish mounting this on the bike. Now that looks dope. Damn, I gotta get rid of that exhaust. All right, so let me tighten this bolt up. I'm gonna tighten these two up because this is currently loose. And then I'm gonna change the axle orientation. So that axle is gonna come on this side and it's gonna rest up against this. And on the other side of the bike, I'm gonna use this hardware kit to hold the wheel in place. So I ended up having to use those bolts because this one was way too short, which is fine, no big deal. So now I'm doing the chain side. So I'm taking this one all the way out so the axle slider can slide in. And then this part here, you don't need no more. So just store it. This side now lives on this side versus the other side. All right, so now that I'm tightening this up, what I usually do is I just snug it and make sure it's flat up against the rear swing arm. And then I tighten up these two. And if I'm not mistaken, those are 4 millimeters. So now that it's snug, wait, as far forward as you can get it before you snug it up. And then when you snug it up, it shouldn't move. And if it's perfect on one side, it should be perfect on the other side. Okay, so you see that little gap right there? You want to eliminate that. So what I do is I just tighten these up, make sure that gap is completely gone. Okay, the bottom's done. Now let's do the top. Yo, ZX6R and ZX10 parts both fit each other perfectly. I think that's amazing. Just the fact that you can put one part off of one bike onto the bigger brother without having to make major adjustments. Beautiful. Let me tighten this guy up. That's a 12. So I want to get this nice and snug to where I know it's not going to move. One more. Alright, now I know it's not going to move as a part of the bike. So let me slide this forward so that way when I put the axle through, it's not going to go all over the place. I'm gonna put the axle through off camera only because I really need 3 hands to put this wheel up and push the axle through. So let me do that. YouTube, it's officially on. Logitech rear chain adjusters. Chain rolls, nice and quiet. Again, the rear axle nut, 95.5 pounds. If you look on the other side, I still have the lightweight rear rotor. And everything rolls real smooth. Man, the bike is ready to hit the road, baby. Hey! I want to thank you guys for watching this Logitech rear chain adjuster install on the ZX10R. And I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day.